Even though Hooligan X Motorsports is about cars and motorcycles, we work on all our own stuff. The idea is to be self-sustaining. So I think this is the original coil that came in this. It's a real popular lawnmower. It's the Craftsman LT1000. I mean, you see them everywhere. So it actually belongs to my father-in-law. We just got it up at the shop. I'm going to replace the coil. And I got this flashy new starter. So Lord knows the grass needs to be cut really bad. So that's the whole idea. We self-sustain. If we can fix it, we fix it ourselves.